and our superposition. Once the superposition is structured in this form, the question states that if V1 is taken from the circuit, what will be the total resistance? So it means that our resultant circuit will now be, we have our 4 ohms here, our 40 volts here, and then we have our resistances. We have that of the 3 ohms here, and then finally we have, don't forget that these two resistances are in series. We have that of the 2 ohms and then the 3 ohms. So the resultant resistance will now be equal to 5 ohms, right? So this 5 ohms will now be in parallel with what? This. So we have 3 para 5, which is the same as what? 3 times 5. Put that to a sum, all on 3 plus what? 5, which will give us a resulting value of what? 9 on 5 what? Ohms. So this 9 on 5, now our resulting circuit will now tends to be 4 ohms, and then our 40 volts voltage in series with the resulting resistance that we had, which was the 9 on what? 5 ohms. So now we have this particular source in series. It means that our total resistance in the circuit will now be equal to 9 on 5 plus 9 on 5 plus the 4 ohms that is left, which will give us a total what? Resistance of what? 20. Total resistance of 29, all on what? On 5, which is the same as what? 5.8 ohms. Thank you very much. So that is